to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically make editing smoother on CapCut PC. Super simple, so don't click on anything. Go to modify and go to performance and enable proxy and just select the lowest resolution. Press save, and then you're also going to go to menu, go to settings, and you're going to go to performance, and you're actually going to deselect these. You can also turn this off so that whenever you start a new project, you won't have to click the proxy mode again, and just press save. And hopefully your editing will be a lot smoother. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the links button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!